8 Steps in Preparing for Success, Video 8, Step 7, CPD, Continued Professional Development. With regards to CPD this year, for 2022 and 2023, what we did at City & Guilds, we produced an event and support planner demonstrating all of the events that the construction team is going to be doing to support our centres over the coming year, with the development of the Level 3 qualification, but also looking at the foundation and progression qualifications also. So each month there will be a series of events, whether that be centre surgeries or virtual kit sessions, as well as these Level 3 support videos, which are due for launch in December. And then in the new year, we'll then begin to look at delivering some Level 3 webinars, returning again to deliver centre CPD sessions in March and April. And these events and centre network sessions do continue to the end of the year to support our centres in the delivery of this new Level 3 qualification and the foundation and progression qualifications respectively. So please do keep an eye out for any email alerts showcasing and promoting the events that we put on. With regards to additional CPD, as this is a new series and a new suite of qualifications, through some additional CPD that you may wish to identify through IQA planning and delivery is things like assessor and IQA qualifications, any trade specific qualifications or industrial updating, and any heritage updates that you may wish staff to undertake. Thank you very much for listening to this short video. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at skillsforwales.customer@cityandguilds.com, and you can also get in touch with us via the Skills for Wales website. Thank you once again for listening.